Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In the last video we discussed about data types and constraints. In this video we discuss clauses. Clauses which means conditions. The different types of condition which are used in the SQL. Our first condition is where clause. Select all from table name where conditions. Example, select all from student where marks greater than 76 which gives the output the marks which are greater than 76. Next, the operators which are used in where clause: arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, bitwise operator. In the later videos, we discuss more on logical operator. Next example, select all from student where marks addition 10 greater than 76, which gives the output which marks greater than 86. Next, where marks between 80 and 100, which means the output gives between 80 to 100. Next clause is order by clause, which means sorted. Syntax: select all from table name, order by column name, descending order. Example: select all from student, order by marks, descending order. If you didn't mention any TESC, it takes default values as ascending order. Next is having clause, which is similar as where clause. Select all from table name having conditions. Example: select all from student having maximum marks greater than 90, which gives the output the marks greater than 90 in that maximum marks. In the next video, we discuss some more queries in SQL. The today's quiz is: what is difference between having and where clause? Please answer for this in comment section. Thank you for watching.